Hello, my beautiful people. Is your one and only Lady J. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for, my daddy people? Go and subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My bonga people, today's topic now about this lady where they married Chochi, ex-husband of Tonto Dike. You know, so she finally come out, come clear the hell. Like, seriously? I just see right up when she writes. I just say, make I ignore her. Before she can finally talk. But that girl, me, I don't understand you, shall. You get mad, though. You get mad, eh? You really get mad, where you will come out, make us believe, say, you know, they follow this man. You say, not like your brother. Now she come out, they use her mouth, they shop on news. My darling people, I will pull the video more and listen. Now only she first come and talk, say, if you jogodo with the man, it be like saying the jogodo with your own brother. Nah, she can't come out, they say, yeah, now she first talk with her man, say, Chochi, now like his brother. He not to say, na mama born am. He not to say, na papa born am, they not be the same blood. So, if he follow Chochi, because after all, not be his brother. So as he can't be say, two of them, now they close where he can't find that, say, two of them love each other. Now a marriage can't take place. Now say, the way you just they talk am so, like seriously, I fear will not fear that girl. I fear will not fear her really, because the way she take behave, you not gonna believe say she get anything to do with this man. You understand? And Tonto Dike talk on that time. He say now this girl be the problem, be our problem for our marriage. He say now this girl that be our problem for our marriage. Nobody believes Tonto Dike. Nobody believe her. But now I'm gonna see Matao. Matter don't change, oh my darling people. Matter don't change. Matter don't change. I fear will not fear this girl. Really, I fear will not fear her. You will just behave like say nothing, like say you don't even get anything to do with this man. Whereas you be the highest, like the thing there, it shocks me. The video where she better use her own mouth and shop on news where say now like your brother go sleep put on. Then the other one they go now go see listing again, my darling people. Thank you everybody. I will put the video for you people to watch now. And I'll know I'll tell you when I'll comment for the comment section. Bye.
It's irritating to the ears. It's just like saying, are you sleeping with your brother? Like I said again, and I repeat myself, this is someone that he's a mentor to me. This is someone I look up to. I've always, his person, he has a very good heart. There's no one that wouldn't want to be identified with someone that has a good heart, someone that gives a helping hand. Me, I'm very certain that being managed and being under Big Church Group Foundation, I'm very sure of a very bright future, which I'm going to say, I really have nothing to say about this because it's really irrelevant to me. They're in peace. They're happy. I don't know about what you people are saying, but you guys should get your facts straight before bringing things out. It's really not relevant to me. I'm not going to say much about it until never. No, I'm not saying much about it.
So moving on, I did say that Mr. Churchill was like a brother to me, but he's not my blood. My mother didn't give birth to him. Mr. Churchill and I, we don't share the same father. That statement, he is like a brother to me, simply meant he is family. Mr. Churchill has always been there for my family and I, and he has always been that way. I mean, was I ever attracted to him or have I ever looked at him in any other way? No. Was he ever attracted to me? Who knows? But I mean, that's not something I have control over. I was in a relationship. I was happy. A relationship that went sour due to the banter online when some accusations were made. I mean, did I kill myself? No. I moved on. Life goes on. After Mr. Churchill got married, things were still the same. He was still there for my family and I. He would take my siblings and I out. I would invite friends, male, female. He never had a problem with it. We would have so much fun. And I mean, when it was time to work, we would work. I'm not a lazy youth. I have goals, I have aims, I have an ambition. I have things that I want to achieve in life. Mr. Churchill made that possible for me. He exposed me to a lot of opportunities and I am forever grateful. So when it came to work, it was always work. You would see us places, and that's because throughout me going around with him, his foundation and other stuff, I was learning in the process. It had nothing to do with intimacy. It had nothing to do with me following him because I liked him. I did like him, but like I said, like a brother, family. Mr. Churchill's failed marriage has nothing, absolutely nothing to do with me. The same way you guys read and heard online that I was the reason for his broken marriage was the same way I read and heard online that I was the reason for his broken marriage. Before then, I never knew that the relationship I had with him before he got married was a problem after he got married. I didn't get the memo. No one confronted me. I was never aware of any of such. Whatever it is that happened in his marriage, I had no knowledge of at all. The same way you guys read online what happened was how I read online what happened. I knew him. Why would I wait for him to get married and then start playing hide and seek? It doesn't make sense. After his marriage crisis and after he got divorced, I was still there. I never left. Why would accusations and people talking make me leave? Leave to where? I never left. I never abandoned him. Obviously, he was a different person. Not much fun. Not the normal fun, bubbly Mr. Churchill that we used to play with and we used to know. You would see that he was just off, devastated, broken, I don't know, frustrated. His mind was never there. Obviously, you could tell that he had stuff on his mind, but it was what it was. Gradually, days passed, months passed, years passed. Life took its course. Destiny happened. So, what I was accused of became my reality and my fate. What would be would be. You cannot change it. You cannot force it. I am not God. It just happened. I let God's will take place in my life. I never forced myself on him. It just happened that he became more than a brother. He became a lifetime partner. And I just really needed you guys to hear this. Every malam with his kettle. One man's curse is another man's blessing. Life happens. I know you guys have opinions which you're definitely entitled to, but I just want you guys to know that your opinions, they don't change me. They don't take anything away from me. They don't change God's will in my life. They don't take away my glory. I'm always going to be me. So you guys just remain positive. Your own blessings and happiness will definitely locate you guys. I love you guys regardless. Stay blessed and have a beautiful day.